Hello everyone, welcome back to another video, and in this video I'm going to talk about how to fix Spotify Wrapped Up is not showing on your phone and how we can fix this up. You can try this step. So the first one, and most probably if you're not able to see this particular option called the Wrapped, just follow this instruction. And the first one is all about we have to do a restart on your device. So to do this, just go over here at the top and you can see there is an icon, just press and hold like this. And you can see slide to power off. From here you can very easily do the restart. And after the restart is successfully done, just go back to the Spotify app and you have to check whether you are able to see the Wrapped option or not. Still, if you're not able to find the Wrapped option, nothing to worry, just move to the second step. Second step is all about you have to go over here in the App Store and you have to search for the Spotify app. Once afterwards, just tap on this one and make sure if you're having any kind of pending update, just update it. Once the update is done, you have to just go over here and tap on the open and you have to check whether you are able to see the Wrapped or not. After trying with the second step, still the issue is there, you can freely move to the third step. That is all about just go to the Spotify app over here, press and hold and go over here, remove app. Once afterwards, you have to download it back once again from the App Store and most probably try opening it and you will be able to fix the issue regarding the Wrapped Up is not showing on a Spotify, and this is what you have to do. And I hope this video is helpful. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell icon for more of these kind of videos. See you in the next video. Bye.